Alright guys, so we're going to do some wheelies on the 110. CRF 110 SSR conversion, you know. And Scully's been working on his wheelies for the most part. He's getting pretty good. So we'll see what he's got. We'll put the camera up for some road wheelies. Try to get some nice flybys. Shift on the go wheelies, stuff like that. That's pretty solid. Oh, for sure.
Ooh, got so dry.
You see straight burnouts in front of the driveway here. Everyone leaves the driveway and just sends.
That one's dirty good.
Mint. As cars come by. There you go. That was pretty solid. That one was pretty damn good.